What are the factors causes ADHD? There are several factors that causes ADHD among children. First is altered autonomy or function of the brain. Some studies reveals that the frontal lobe of the brain, which lies in the forefront of the brain, is different among people with ADHD. This area is related to decision making. Second is genetics. ADHD sometimes may be inherited from parents or older siblings. Third is being male. Boys and men are more at risk of developing ADHD than girls and women. This could due to genetic factors or hormonal factors. Fourth is maternal issues. Some studies have shown that pregnant women who smoke, take alcohol, and use recreational drugs are at higher risk of giving birth to children who go on develop ADHD because it reduces their neuronal activity and alters the nerve messenger chemicals. Fifth is exposure to toxins. Toddlers and preschoolers who are exposed to environmental poisons and toxins are also at higher risk of behavioral problems. Among these is lead exposure from paint and pipes in old buildings has been linked to short attention span and violent behavior. Traumatic brain injury has also been linked to ADHD. However, the number of children who suffer such brain injuries are too small to explain. Next, additive. Food additives such as preservatives and artificial coloring has been linked to aggravation and increased rate of ADHD, but there are no definite evidence. The next factor is sugar. Studies and common belief says that excess sugar in child's diet often leads to behavioral problems. However, detailed studies have shown that there is no association between excess sugar in diet and raised risk of ADHD or even worsening the symptoms. Next, food intolerance to milk, wheat, and nuts has also been linked to raised risk of ADHD. After that, exposure to television has been concerned that excessive exposure at young age may lead to an increased risk of ADHD, although there are no definite proof. There are also other risk factors that causes ADHD, such as born prematurely before 37 weeks, being born with a low birth weight, or even brain damage in the utero. Even having impaired hearing is also linked to ADHD.